Welcome to NOM Bytes, a series of short videos to give you a taste of what's included in Neo4j Ops Manager. In this video, we walk through the steps of adding a DBMS to NOM. As well as our working Neo4j Ops Manager server, we have set up a new Linux machine. On this, we have installed a single instance of Neo4j, and this is running with 4 databases: System, Neo4j, Movie and Northwind. To save time, we have copied the agent binary to the user's home directory and made it executable. We have also deployed the SSL certificate to the new DBMS machine. Let's sign into NOM and get started with adding our DBMS. We can see the NOM server is running and managing only one DBMS at the moment. Let's add an agent so we can manage our new instance. To do this, we click on the settings icon. We can see the current agents which have been set up. There is currently only one. To add a new one, we click Register a new agent, and we'll give it a name and a description, then click the Register button. The server has created the credentials for a new agent. These are key pieces of information which need to be saved and supplied to the agent when set up as a service. We'll copy these to a notepad for now. Once saved, we click to accept and close. We see the agent registered, but it's not sent any data to the server. Let's go to the new Linux host and set it up. We're logged into the Linux host and can see the agent binary. We can check the version. To set the agent up as a service, it's advisable to have it in a root executable directory, so we move the agent to one now. Now we can install the agent as a service. Next, we need to provide the service with the credentials from earlier. We edit the service file and add environment variables for the NOM server, SSL details, logging, and details for the DBMS instance we want to manage. We save the changes. Now we can start the service. We can check the status of the agent. It's all looking good, so let's switch back to NOM. We can see in the list of agents that we have received data from the agent. Let's check in the home page. And we can see the new DBMS and single instance reported in NOM. The DBMS name is not very friendly, so let's change that by choosing the DBMS and selecting the About menu. Let's rename it to Test Instance. Now let's see details of our newly added DBMS. We'll start with the status panel. We can see the expected topology here with the DBMS, single instance and 4 databases. We can also see this in tabular form. Let's check out the metrics on the dashboard. We see the host metrics. We can also check the instance metrics. There's not much data yet, as it's only just started being managed. And the database metrics. We can select a database. Let's use System. Everything is running as expected. So we have successfully added a new DBMS to be managed by our NOM instance.